Today, we're diving into the origins of agriculture and its transformative impact on settlement patterns worldwide. Let's get started. Agriculture is how humans modify the landscape to grow crops and raise animals for food and trade. Sounds simple, right? But it's actually way more complex. Two major factors affect agriculture. First, the physical landscape, which includes soil and landforms. Second, the climate, which are long-term weather patterns in an area. Now, let's break down the types of agriculture. There are subsistence farming, where you only grow enough for yourself and your family, and commercial farming, where the goal is to sell for profit. And here's an important turning point in history: the Green Revolution, which was when modern farming techniques and high-yield crops transformed agriculture in developing countries. Speaking of crops, there are different types of farming based on what's grown or raised. Arable farming focuses on crops. Think corn, sweet potatoes, and lettuce. Pastoral farming is all about livestock like dairy cows and sheep. Mixed farming combines both. And then there's market gardening, which involves small-scale crop production in urban areas. Farmers also use different techniques. Some go intensive, with lots of labor on small plots, while others go extensive, farming massive lands with less labor. In the Bahamas, land capability plays a role in farming. Land classes range from deep, fine soil to stony or sandy land. And did you know common crops here include pigeon peas, cassava, and watermelon? Now, let's talk about agricultural practices worldwide. In dry regions like North Africa, you'll find pastoral nomadism, where herders roam with their livestock. Tropical areas in Latin America often use shifting cultivation, while large tropical farms rely on plantation agriculture. Other common types include grain farming, commercial gardening, and even Mediterranean agriculture, known for its olives and grapes. But agriculture isn't just about food. It shapes how we live. Settlements in rural areas can be clustered, where homes and buildings are close together, dispersed, where they're spread out across the landscape, or linear, often organized near roads or rivers. Speaking of land, did you know property boundaries vary too? There's the metes and bounds system, which uses natural landmarks to define land. The rectangular survey system is more of a grid, while the French long lot system guarantees access to water. Let's rewind to where it all began: the Neolithic agricultural revolution, when humans first domesticated plants and animals. This revolution sparked in regions called agricultural hearths. For example, Southwest Asia, where wheat and olives originated. East Asia, known for rice. Sub-Saharan Africa, famous for yams. And Mesoamerica, home to corn and potatoes. The Fertile Crescent in Southwest Asia was one of the earliest and most significant hearths. Fast forward to the Columbian Exchange, when plants, animals, and even diseases moved across continents. Afro-Eurasia gave us coffee and bananas, while the Americas brought us potatoes and maize. And today, agriculture continues to evolve with advancements in technology, everything from fertilizers to food preservation. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like and subscribe. Check out our other videos to learn more.